Right in the 2017 Cadillac XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, lane departure warning, navigation system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.